Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss one of the most important topics for any crypto investor or trader: how and where to safely store your ZBCN tokens. Why it matters. If you've been following the Zebec Network project, you know that ZBCN is growing in popularity. But here's the truth. Owning crypto is one thing. Storing it securely is another. Many people lose their tokens not because of bad investments, but because they used the wrong wallet or got hacked. Agenda. By the end of this video, you'll know what types of wallets exist, the best wallets that support ZBCN right now, step-by-step setup and security tips, which wallet is right for you, whether you're a beginner, active trader, or long-term holder. 1. Basics of crypto wallets. Hot wallets versus cold wallets. Hot equals online, easy access, but more risk. Cold equals offline, safer, but less convenient. Custodial versus non-custodial. Custodial, exchange wallets like Binance, Bitget. Someone else controls your keys. Non-custodial, MetaMask, Descent, Token Pocket. You control your private keys. Why this matters for ZBCN. Zebec is a relatively new token. Not every wallet supports it natively. You must pick a wallet that either officially supports ZBCN or allows adding custom tokens. 2. Best wallets for ZBCN. 1. Descent wallet, hardware plus mobile. Explain. This is one of the safest options because it's a hardware wallet, meaning your private keys never touch the internet. Steps by from official site only. Avoid Amazon/third-party sellers. Set up by creating a new wallet. Backup seed phrase. Add ZBCN from supported tokens list. Pros: hardware level security, biometric login. Cons: cost money, approximately $100. 2. Now wallet, software, hot wallet. Explain. A simple, beginner-friendly wallet that supports Zebec tokens natively. Steps: download now. Wallet app. Create new wallet. Write down recovery phrase. Search for ZBCN and add it. Receive tokens by copying your address. Pros: easy setup, supports multiple chains. Cons: hot wallet, so always online, slightly less secure. 3. Bitget wallet, custodial plus web, 3 wallet. Explain. If you already use Bitget exchange, their wallet supports ZBCN as well. Steps: create account, verify identity. Enable two-factor authentication for security. Add ZBCN from supported tokens list. Pros: great for traders, integrated exchange. Cons: custodial. Bitget technically controls your funds. 4. Token Pocket, Solflare, OKX wallet, etc. Explain to the community wallets that support Zebec Vive 2, ZBCN. Steps: similar setup. Create wallet, add token manually if needed. Pros: free, popular, user-friendly. Cons: hot wallets, less safe for long-term big holdings. 5. Universal wallets, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Exodus. Explain. These don't always list ZBCN by default, but you can import it as a custom token. Steps: copy ZBCN contract address from Zebec's official site /CoinGecko. Open wallet, add token, custom token, paste contract address, symbol decimals. Save. Now you can send /receive ZBCN. Pros: very flexible, supports thousands of tokens. Cons: must be careful with correct contract address, phishing risk. 3. Step-by-step demo. Here you can pick 2 wallets and show a detailed step-by-step tutorial. Example. A. Setting up Descent wallet, unbox, connect to phone via Bluetooth. Create a new wallet. Write seed phrase. Add Zebec token from supported list. Show how to send ZBCN from exchange to Descent. Show how to confirm transaction on Zebec Explorer. B. Adding ZBCN to MetaMask, custom token. Open MetaMask networks. Select correct blockchain. Copy official contract address. Go to import tokens, paste address. Confirm token appears in wallet. Send small test transaction to verify. 4. Security best practices, backup seed phrase on paper, not online. Enable two-factor authentication if using exchanges. Never store large amounts in hot wallets. Double-check contract address before sending. Keep software updated. Avoid clicking suspicious links. Common scam. So what's the best wallet for ZBCN? Beginners, Now Wallet or Token Pocket. Active traders, Bitget Wallet. Long-term holders, Descent Hardware Wallet. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which wallet you use for your ZBCN tokens. And if you want more deep dive guides into Zebec and other crypto projects, stay tuned because we upload regularly.